So the day is here. I'm finally going to install my monster fairings onto my bike. I have a lot of carbon fiber already, so that kind of takes off a little bit of pieces that I don't have to do, but overall it's going to be very simple. I just have to remove some stickers, the tank grips, some of the carbon, the mirrors, and everything should be super easy. It's just we pretty much just put back together. So without further ado, I'm going to start with the front fender, because that's only 4 bolts, 2 on each side, and then we'll get that done, and then we're going to do the tail, and then lastly we're going to do the front. So literally for these, it's just 2 bolts on each side, the one that holds the brake line and the one piece here. So I believe it's a 5. Yes. So for this one, there's a little nut that goes in the back that holds it together. And then this whole thing comes right out. Okay, so I'm going to give a quick comparison between the one that I wrapped. So this is OEM. My bike is originally candy red from 2007. And here I have to do so many different pieces because of the curvature of the bike. Definitely tell that there are some imperfections. You look closely here, but for the ones from Monster Fairings, you can totally tell between these two. I had to switch over the grommets, but other than that, it should be a very straightforward install. There we go. So out here is where it will really shine. See, this one looks kind of dull now because I had it for like a couple years, but it's been pretty much the same. But look at this one though. Oh my god. So I'm going to very quickly just transfer over these rubber grommets, which is normally just like a little pin, and then this whole thing just kind of like you just have to push it out like that. So here's one. Let's keep those together. So like I said, this one just kind of goes into here. Just really have to work it in. So once you get that one in, you just gotta slide this in. There you go. And then just repeat for everything else. Now remember, these are etched to do. So we just gotta install this back in here. So this goes like this. This one, you gotta line it up. So I'm just gonna quickly, I'm not gonna tighten it yet. And this. there's that. And this one, you just gotta put the bolt back in. So I'm not gonna tighten this one either, just enough to okay. So tighten, this one is fairly tightened, and now I can pretty much tighten everything back on now. Ah, there it is. Yep. Same thing on this side, tighten, and then this one.